Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you two methods to enable filters on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. For the first method, open the Snapchat app on your device. Take a picture and swipe left for filters. If this message pops up, then you need to enable the filters. The simplest way to enable the filter is to tap Enable and Allow. For the second method, tap and hold the Snapchat icon and tap App Info. Now go to Permissions and allow permissions for location. And that's how you enable filters on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.